Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's another beautiful day to explore. You can see this particular threading hairstyle, guys. This video is going to teach you the step by step on how to make it as a beginner. After watching this video, you'll never struggle in making this hairstyle anymore. Now in today's video, I will be making use of Brazilian wool to get this hairstyle that I'm about to show you. I used to say that when you are starting a braid as a beginner, what you need to do, and it's very important for your braid to look very neat, is cross the extension to the hair, just the way I'm doing here. Cross the extension to the hair and bring out the hair. The hair should be the third of that extension, but this one we are going to start it like Kiko. Sorry, we are starting it like braid. So this is how I'm starting it like braid, so that starting this hairstyle like braid will make the down of the hair not to pain your client or the person you are making the hair for. We start the hair with braid. This is how to braid it for beginner. Very easy, very easy. So after starting it, what you do is to section the hair and the extension into two. Now the hair and one part of the extension is going to one place, while the other extension is going to the other side. Mind you, the other extension that we are going to use to wrap it is going to be longer than the extension that we use and separate, that we are holding in our hands. That is the left hand side. Now this longer extension is what we are going to be used to wrap this other extension in my arms. I always say, while twisting your extension, twist it to the left part. It gives you a beautiful coils. Now we'll be twisting our extension and be wrapping it like this until we get to our desired length. The wrapping is very easy if you discover the right side to twist it to. As you are twisting it to the left, you are twisting it down. When you pick it, you twist it. We just watch the video, you twist it downward. You pick it again, you twist it downward until you get to the desired length of the hair. Watch the video to the end and see the final look of this video. This is a very good tutorial that every beginner need to watch. Share this video to get to other viewers, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because a more of this tutorial is coming your way. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share it to others. Watch to the end and see how I end this particular hairstyle. See you in my next video.